Understanding church bells ringing, a dive into English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the picturesque phrase, church bells ringing. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture and carries a multitude of meanings, both literal and metaphorical. Let's explore how this phrase is used in English, its origins, and the various contexts it can be applied to. Stay with us to uncover the beauty and depth of this phrase, perfect for enhancing your English vocabulary and comprehension. The phrase, church bells ringing, refers to the sound made by bells located within a church's bell tower. These bells are often rung to signify the start of a church service, mark special occasions like weddings and funerals, or to announce the time of day in some communities. The sound of church bells is deeply ingrained in many cultures and is associated with a sense of community and tradition. When you hear about church bells ringing, it's this literal sound and its associated activities being referred to. Beyond its literal interpretation, church bells ringing can carry rich metaphorical and symbolic meanings. It can symbolize a call to attention or awareness, often used in literature and movies to denote a significant moment or turning point. The phrase might also evoke feelings of joy, solemnity, or nostalgia, depending on the context in which it's used. For instance, in a love story, the ringing of church bells might symbolize a joyous celebration of marriage, whereas in a historical context, it could commemorate significant events or memories. In language and literature, church bells ringing is used to evoke imagery and emotions, making scenes more vivid and impactful. Writers and poets often use this phrase to set a scene or mood, leveraging the sound's traditional associations to enhance their narratives. Understanding its usage in literature can help English learners appreciate the nuances of English expressions and develop a deeper connection to the language. The ringing of church bells holds different meanings across various cultures, reflecting a wide range of traditions, ceremonies, and celebrations. In some cultures, the bells announce the beginning of a religious service, while in others, they might be rung to celebrate a community victory or to warn of danger. Exploring the cultural significance of church bells ringing provides insight into how language and culture are intertwined, offering a richer understanding of English expressions within their societal context. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and beauty behind the phrase, church bells ringing. Whether heard in the literal sense or understood as a symbol, this phrase enriches the English language, offering layers of meaning and tradition. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase's depth and versatility, enhancing your appreciation and understanding of English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in our next video.